Good day, my name is Nancy. I study at the University UNAD. I study infantil pedagogy. I am friendly. I am thin and short. My family is composed by my husband, my two children, my pet, and me. My husband's name is Fernand. He is military, and he studied at the Senate too. He is medium height and thin. His hair is dark brown color. He has brown eyes. Sometimes he is serious, and other times he is sociable and friendly. He loves his family. My son's name is Mauricio. He is 10 years old. He is white skinned. He is studying at the school. He is tall and thin. His hair is blonde color. He has brown eyes. My other child is a girl. His name is Nicole. She is 5 years old. She is short and thin. She is a cute and sweet girl. She has a short hair, and the color she is dark brown. She is studying at the kindergarten. We have a small dog. It is a pinscher. It is a female dog and she is friendly. Her hair color is black. She loves to go to the park. We are living in a small apartment at north of the Sogamoso city. We are always happy and no more. Thanks so much.